All right, really quickly here, I just want to show you MLA formatting and how to set that up in your word processing application. Right now I'm using Microsoft Word. This will generally be the same if you are on a MacBook, if you are on an HP computer, if you are in Google Docs, it's all the same for the most part. So opening up a blank document here, the first thing that I like to do is switch to Times New Roman and make sure that my font size is 12. Also, you need to check to make sure that the margins are at 1 inch. And so if you click on the Layout tab, over here you have margins. A lot of the time, this will already be set to 1 inch, but I do like to double check it just to be sure. So I clicked on that. Now I'm going to go back to the home page. There are lots of different ways that you can get to the paragraph spacing section, but I like to do it from the home page. So right here, a lot of times this section is labeled paragraph, but this one right here, this drop down, so I'm going to click on it. You can change the spacing by just hitting 2.0, but I like to go to line spacing options because this pops up and you can check the spacing points. So sometimes they'll be set to weird random numbers, but you always want it to be 0 for both of these. And then you can switch your line spacing to double. And OK saves it. We also need the header with the page number in MLA format. So we are going to go over to Insert, and along the top there is a header, footer, and page number option. So although this is a header, you want to always choose page number, and you want to make sure that it gets put at the top of the page in the right-hand corner. So here I'll hit OK, and there it is. You want to put your last name in by the page number. So if you just double click on the number, that will open up the header. You can see the blue line that shows you what is in the header above it. And then if you put your cursor in front of the number, you can type your last name and then double click outside of it. And that's all you have to do with the page number header. Okay, from here, we're ready to start typing, so we need to put our name and all of that information. So remember, you have your first and last name, your teacher's name, the course name or number, and then the date, which is written as day, month, year. So today is March 15th, 2019. So I would write that 15 March 2019. From here, I want to put my title in, and you center your cursor by coming up here, and it says center text, or sometimes it'll say align center. You type your title, hit enter, and then align it back to the left side. And then if you hit tab on your keyboard to indent and start typing your essay.